Introducing our premium watercolor paper pads, available in a variety of sizes and crafted to inspire. Designed to meet every artistic need, our pads come in a versatile selection of sizes, sized for every style and ready for every idea. Each pad features heavyweight 140-pound cold-pressed paper. The sheets are slightly textured natural white, ideal for mastering watercolor techniques. Suitable for all artist skill levels, comes with perforated edges for easy sheet removal. Also, works great with watercolor, acrylic, colored or graphite pencils, pens, markers, charcoal, pastel, and much more. Whether you're sketching, inking, or going full color, this pack is your ultimate watercolor companion. Available in multiple sizes. From concept to creation, it all starts with the right paper. Get your watercolor paper pads today. US Art Supply, your one-stop shop for online art supplies. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to our channel.